I want to show you how you can use an app that comes free and pre-installed with Windows 10 to record your screen, and it's called the Xbox Game Bar. And yes, I know Xbox is the name, but you can record things outside of games as well. To launch the Game Bar, go down to your taskbar and search Game Bar. You should see the Xbox Game Bar. Let's click on this. You can also launch the Game Bar by pressing the Windows logo key on your keyboard, together with the G key, G as in game. When we click on this, launches the Game Bar, and you see the interface here in the top left-hand corner. There's a window for capture. This is what we're going to use to capture our screen. I'm going to open up my YouTube screen, and once again, hit Windows G to bring up the Game Bar. And I click on this button to kick off my recording. The is now active. I can narrate whatever I want. Once I'm done, I'm going to click on Stop button, and now game clip has been recorded. If I click on this will be Open Up File Explorer, and let's see how it turned out. You can see our video save without any watermark. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get updates.